Hello everyone, this is Kimchill. Today, I would like to tell you a little bit more about kimchi. So, what exactly is kimchi? You heard it's healthy, but what is it? Kimchi is fermented vegetable dish seasoned with lots of different spices. The main ingredient can be different, but typically it is cabbage. The exact recipe and seasoning of the kimchi can be different based on the region and individual preference. Kimchi is mainly made with red chili powder called gochugaru, garlic, ginger, and other vegetables. It is seasoned with salt, fish sauce, and with 젓갈, which is a salted seafood. Every household has their own kimchi recipes, which is passed down from generation to generation. Korea has a population of about 50 million. So imagine how many different kimchi recipes there are in Korea. Kimchi was originally developed to ensure Koreans had access to nutritious food throughout the long and freezing Korean winters. Because it contains lots of vitamins and minerals the body needs. Kimchi is very different to other pickles or Chinese pot chai, which is made by soaking vegetables in salt water. Kimchi is a very important staple in Korean cuisine and is eaten with every meal of the day. Koreans eat kimchi as Pantan, which means side dish. Kimchi is the main Pantan for every meal of the day. If you are invited to a Korean friend's house for dinner, no matter what you are gonna have, kimchi will be there. So it sounds like Koreans eat lots of kimchi, right? That's why we have a kimjang, which means making kimchi day. Kimjang is held annually before the beginning of winter. It's a very big event because you make kimchi with 10 to a few hundreds of cabbages. And Korean cabbages are huge. So everyone sets a date to make kimchi together. Kimjang is not only for making kimchi, it is also for sharing. Once you make a lot of kimchi, you share it with everyone, with your extended family, friends, next-door neighbors, and whoever lives alone around you. If some Koreans offer you some kimchi, just accept it. Kimchi is not just a side dish, it's our culture, representing what Koreans are. So today, I talked about the basic idea of what kimchi is. Next time, I will come back with different kimchi stories. Please like and subscribe to my channel. I hope you enjoyed this video. Chill and eat kimchi.